Alright guys, welcome back to this daily cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I will be speaking about two specific coins. The number one would be Digibyte and the second one will be Filecoin or FILCOIN. So guys, as you guys can see right here, DGB Digibyte is an OG coin currently traded at 0.8 cents. Okay, so 8 cents it's being traded right now. We got 92 people watching it. Now in this video, I will be covering some TAs, some pros and cons about Digibyte and Filecoin, and where they can go, possible price prediction, and so on. So right here, let's start off with the market cap. We got a nice whip in market cap of $1.2 billion, fully diluted 1.8. What is the difference? Fully diluted would be if the whole max supply would be taken in place, but it's not. The circulating supply is 14 billion, so it would be 14 billion times 8.8 cents. It would be the market cap. So what do I mean by OG? It's an original coin. Digibyte has been around since 2014. As you guys can see, it's been traded under under $0. I don't even know what this would be. It's an OG coin, been around since 2014. It's been trying to not copy Bitcoin, but essentially take over Bitcoin. This thing hasn't exploded yet, in my opinion. I don't know why, but Digibyte still did not explode. I think there's still a lot of room, and it hasn't reached its full potential. So I'm sorry I'm not ready for this, but let's have a look at the Digibyte charts real quick, and then I will show you guys what I mean by that. And then after that, we're going to have a look at the pros and cons real quick of Digibyte and where it can go. So first of all, let's have a look at the daily candle on Digibyte. This is a daily. We are in an ascending triangle, in my opinion, for Digibyte. The last time I made a call of an ascending triangle was XRP, and you guys know what happened next. It exploded. So if you guys are watching this video, of course, it's not financial advice, and if you guys are taking this as financial advice, although I am not giving you financial advice, please put your stop losses, guys. I think that Digibyte, we have a target of 1.5. We're gonna wait to see where the daily candle closes, and then we are confirmed for an explosion to the moon. That wouldn't be the moon. It would be about 60%, 70% pump, I believe. Let's have a look. Yeah, it would be 68% pump. I think this coin could go to 50 cents, in my opinion. This is an original coin. It's been around for so long, and there's so many people watching it, and people don't realize the potential it has of growing. Now, of doing, it's a different story. The reason why I don't like Digibyte and the reason why I like Digibyte. Well, the reason why I like it is that Digibyte wasn't an ICO. That means there's no there wasn't any ICO, of course, or IPO, whatever you want to call it, ICO. And there's also no CEO. There's not really a team working behind it. It's like essentially like Bitcoin. Satoshi found Bitcoin, that's it. Everyone uses Bitcoin. So Digibyte is kind of the same. There's not really anyone behind it. No one is really controlling Digibyte. Most of ICOs or coins nowadays, like Ethereum has Vitalik and so on. Neo, they all have people running it, and the negative thing about that, or the cons, is that anyone can dump it. Now, of course, Ethereum, the CEO of Ethereum, Vitalik, or whatever it is, they're not gonna dump Ethereum on us, on the investors. But nowadays, you do have a lot of ICOs that they have a lot of hype, good marketing, they pump the coin up, and then boom, it just crashes on your face a few months later, and you're like, oh, what happened? I thought this was going to the moon. So this wasn't an ICO. They do say that they have the fastest transaction. I'm gonna get to a second why this is not so great. And yeah, I mean, it's mineable. It's pretty easy to mine, and they do have all supported version on, I believe it's desktop and app, like an app on the phone. So yeah, it's easier to mine this coin. It's not as hard as mining like Bitcoin. So let's have a look right here. What is Digibyte all about? Okay, first of all, yes, it is faster in transaction, as you guys can see right here. The block time is 15 seconds. And okay, there's a max supply. Fine, that's like, they all have max supplies. Let's be honest, like Bitcoin and Litecoin, they all have. This is a max supply. I don't know why they highlighted that. I think that's too high. The only reason why it is good is that it's because it could be used as a actual currency. Like, I think it could be between 50 cents to $1, and you're not going to be sending like a bunch of Bitcoins or Satoshis. You'll be sending like Digibytes, because it will be like closer to $1. So I think that's why it's good. Average transaction fee. Okay, so all this, whatever. We all know this is cheap, fast transaction. It's very good. But we do have Binance Smart Chain, guys, nowadays. That's the only reason why all these things don't matter. is that because we have Binance Smart Chain and you could, you know, withdraw and send money really fast. I don't know where the competition is in that. I don't think they will beat Binance Smart Chain, although Digibyte has a lot of room to grow, like chart wise. Right here, chart wise, they do have a lot of room to grow, like 50 cents to $1. I think, you know, but I don't see like the whole purpose of the transactions and fees, because if you use Binance Smart Chain, you could send essentially Bitcoin, you know, first of all in seconds, and you won't have to pay $27. Now, the only negative downside is that if you are sending from a wallet, then yes, Bitcoin might get a little bit expensive and Digibyte might win over. But a lot of people are in exchanges, and now with Binance, you have Binance Pay now, and you have Binance debit cards. So Binance is winning the game, and it's only going to be better, and they're only going to win. It's only a matter of time before, you know, they come out. They actually do have a real wallet. I believe TWT is with Binance. If you guys can correct me if I'm wrong. My friend told me about that. I don't know if this is true or not. Maybe it is. I'm going to have to look at that after this. I think it is. But yeah, so they have a wallet already. They have Binance Smart Chain, BP20. So I don't see a reason why all these things, you know, these things are not a reason to invest in my opinion. But that said, I think there's a lot of room for explosion. The second coin I want to have a look at is Filecoin. Where can Filecoin go? Where, you know, what's the prediction? How high can it go? This is crazy. Oh my god. Well, where can it reach? Okay, well, first of all, let's have a look at its market cap, where it's standing. Right now, Filecoin is currently standing at 14. Currently traded at $176 right now. $11.6 billion with a circulating supply of 65 million. That's pretty good. How high can this coin go? Well, this coin we saw this massive hype. Okay, this is a storage coin. It exploded. This thing absolutely exploded, came back down, you know, had a nice dump or correction, I guess you can say, and maybe it will consolidate. This is on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we did this nice V recovery shape, which is pretty bullish in my opinion. That means the bulls are not done in Filecoin. I think that we see a you know, $300 move right here. Another thing is that we did get rejected by the 0.5 fib level, I believe, if I bring it from the bottom. Let's have a look. Yeah, so this was a 0.5 fib. We got rejected right here, as well as this little support region on file. So for you traders out there, I mean, no reason why you should panic. This is just accumulation phase in my opinion. Guys, of course, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. Anyways, so yeah, Filecoin is a storage coin. So for you guys who like investing in storage coin and are interested, I would highly suggest looking at this coin, FILCOIN. If you guys think you missed the hype on File, this is another storage coin. It's an OG one. It's been around since, you know, 2015, I believe. 2016, sorry, no, 2015. And look, it did peak at 10 cents, and we have a lot of room to grow right here. We have a few 100%. Currently, the market cap is $1.3 billion. Fully diluted, it is the same. The thing I don't like about this is that it could be mined. That means this can reach 50 billion, 60 billion, 70 billion. That's the only thing I don't like about FILCOIN, is that I wouldn't say there's unlimited supply, but there is unlimited supply. Like, there's no max supply, which is not good. I don't like investing in coins that don't have max supply, because this tomorrow can be 50 billion and this right here can be 25. So unless you're a miner, then yeah, that's great. But if you guys missed the hype, I think we still have a few 100% to go before peaking. I think we could go back to 10 cents. We're going to have to see what happens. This is also a storage coin. File is a storage coin. Storage network designed to store humanity's most important information. Very interesting, decentralized. So yeah, anyways guys, this is my update on File and Digibyte. If you guys like this video, please leave a comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.